Whether you're an athlete striving for optimal performance or someone with a respiratory condition, the connection between nutrition and lung health is undeniable. What we put into our bodies can have a profound impact on our breathing abilities. Proper nutrition is essential for maintaining healthy lungs and promoting respiratory function. Certain foods are known to help reduce inflammation and promote lung health. On the other hand, a poor diet can exacerbate respiratory conditions and increase the risk of lung-related diseases. In this video, we delve into the fascinating relationship between nutrition and lung health. We explore how specific foods can affect your breathing and provide valuable insights on creating a well-balanced diet to support optimal lung function. The link between nutrition and lung health. The importance of nutrition in overall health is well established, but many people may not realize the direct impact it can have on their lung function. The respiratory system relies on a constant exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, and this process can be influenced by the quality of the foods we consume. One of the key ways in which nutrition affects lung health is through inflammation. Inflammation is a natural immune response that helps the body fight off infections and repair damaged tissues. However, chronic inflammation can be detrimental to lung health and contribute to the development of respiratory conditions such as asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. A healthy diet can help reduce inflammation in the body, including the lungs. Foods rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins C and E have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and can help protect against lung damage. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats can promote inflammation and worsen respiratory symptoms. Key nutrients for lung health. To support optimal lung function and promote respiratory health, it is important to ensure you are getting an adequate intake of key nutrients. These nutrients play a significant role in maintaining lung health and can be found in a variety of foods. Antioxidants are one of the most important nutrients for lung health. They help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. Fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of antioxidants, with berries, leafy greens, and citrus fruits being particularly rich in these beneficial compounds. Omega-3 fatty acids are another essential nutrient for lung health. These healthy fats have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce the risk of respiratory conditions such as asthma and COPD. Fatty fish like salmon and trout, as well as chia seeds and walnuts, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamins C and E are also important for lung health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect against lung damage caused by oxidative stress. Citrus fruits, bell peppers, and kiwis are all excellent sources of vitamin C. Vitamin E, on the other hand, helps protect lung tissue from damage and can be found in foods like nuts, seeds, and spinach. Foods that promote healthy lungs. Now that we know which nutrients are important for lung health, let's explore some specific foods that can help promote optimal respiratory function. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation in the lungs. These delicious fruits are also rich in vitamins C and E, further supporting lung health. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent sources of vitamins C and E, as well as other beneficial compounds. They can help protect against lung damage and promote respiratory health. Citrus fruits, including oranges, grapefruits, and lemons, are not only rich in vitamin C but also contain other compounds that can help support lung health. Consuming these fruits regularly can help reduce the risk of respiratory conditions. Fatty fish like salmon, trout, and sardines are not only a great source of omega-3 fatty acids but also contain other nutrients that support lung health. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation in the lungs and improve overall respiratory function. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds, are rich in vitamin E and other beneficial compounds. Including these foods in your diet can help protect lung tissue and support optimal respiratory health. The role of antioxidants in lung health. Antioxidants play a crucial role in maintaining lung health. They help neutralize harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and damage cells in the body, including the lungs. Oxidative stress can contribute to the development of respiratory conditions and worsen existing lung diseases. By reducing oxidative stress, antioxidants can help protect against lung damage and promote optimal respiratory function. In addition to fruits and vegetables, other foods rich in antioxidants include dark chocolate, green tea, and spices like turmeric and ginger. Including these foods in your diet can help boost your antioxidant intake and support lung health. Foods to avoid for optimal lung function. While there are many foods that can promote lung health, there are also certain foods that can have a negative impact on respiratory function. These foods can increase inflammation in the body and worsen respiratory symptoms. Processed foods, such as fast food, chips, and sugary snacks, are often high in unhealthy fats, refined sugars, and artificial additives. Consuming these foods regularly can promote inflammation and contribute to the development or worsening of respiratory conditions. Fried foods, including deep-fried foods and foods cooked in unhealthy oils, can also have a negative impact on lung health. These foods are often high in unhealthy fats and can promote inflammation in the body. Sugary beverages, such as soda and fruit juices with added sugars, can contribute to inflammation and worsen respiratory symptoms. Opting for water, herbal tea, or freshly squeezed fruit juices without added sugars is a healthier choice for lung health. The impact of hydration on lung health. In addition to proper nutrition, hydration is also essential for maintaining healthy lungs. Staying well hydrated helps keep the mucous membranes in the airways moist, which is important for optimal respiratory function. When the airways are dry, it can be more difficult to breathe, and respiratory symptoms may worsen. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day can help keep the airways moist and support optimal lung function. It is important to note that staying hydrated does not mean consuming excessive amounts of fluids. The recommended daily intake of water varies depending on factors such as age, sex, and activity level. Consulting with a healthcare professional can help determine the appropriate amount of water for your individual needs. Meal planning for lung health. Creating a well-balanced meal plan is an effective way to ensure you are getting the necessary nutrients to support optimal lung function. Here are some tips for meal planning for lung health. Include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your meals to ensure you are getting a wide range of antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Choose lean sources of protein, such as poultry, fish, legumes, and tofu, to support muscle health and overall respiratory function. Incorporate whole grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread, to provide sustained energy and essential nutrients. Limit processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats as much as possible to reduce inflammation and promote optimal lung health. Stay hydrated by drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day. You can also incorporate hydrating foods, such as watermelon and cucumbers, into your meals. Nutritional supplements for respiratory support. While a well-balanced diet should provide most of the nutrients necessary for optimal lung health, certain individuals may benefit from nutritional supplements. These supplements can help fill any nutritional gaps and provide additional support for respiratory function. Omega-3 fatty acid supplements, such as fish oil capsules or algae-based supplements, can be beneficial for individuals who do not consume enough fatty fish or plant-based sources of omega-3s. Vitamin D supplements may be recommended for individuals with respiratory conditions, as vitamin D deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of respiratory infections. Probiotic supplements can help support a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a role in immune function and overall health. A healthy gut microbiome can help reduce the risk of respiratory infections and promote optimal respiratory function. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements to ensure they are appropriate for your individual needs and to determine the correct dosage. Lifestyle factors that support lung health. In addition to proper nutrition, several lifestyle factors can also support lung health and promote optimal respiratory function. Regular exercise is important for maintaining healthy lungs. Physical activity helps improve lung capacity, strengthens respiratory muscles, and promotes overall respiratory health. Avoiding exposure to environmental pollutants, such as cigarette smoke, air pollution, and allergens, is essential for protecting lung health. If you smoke, quitting is the best thing you can do for your lungs. Practicing good hygiene, such as washing your hands regularly and covering your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing, can help reduce the risk of respiratory infections. Getting enough sleep is also important for lung health. During sleep, the body repairs and regenerates tissues, including lung tissue. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support optimal respiratory function. Conclusion: nourishing your lungs for better breathing. In conclusion, proper nutrition plays a vital role in maintaining healthy lungs and promoting optimal respiratory function. By incorporating antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables, omega-3 fatty acids, and other key nutrients into your diet, you can support lung health and reduce the risk of respiratory conditions. Avoiding processed foods, unhealthy fats, and sugary beverages can help reduce inflammation and promote optimal lung function. Staying hydrated and following a well-balanced meal plan can further support lung health. In addition to nutrition, lifestyle factors such as regular exercise, avoiding environmental pollutants, practicing good hygiene, and getting enough sleep are important for maintaining healthy lungs. Take charge of your lung health by understanding the impact of nutrition on your breathing and discover the power of eating right for optimal respiratory function. Fuel your body with the nutrients it needs, and enjoy the benefits of better breathing and overall respiratory health. Thanks for watching.